Live from Vegas, son, be the illest one, representing them wise of the fullest videos I shoot them. What's good, everybody? It's your boy, billionaire philanthropist Baron.Von.Lockhart, coming at y'all live and direct, where you get a review of the flies of the flies, and the nicest of the nicest, whether it be sneakers, clothes, all the fresh gear, you get it here. And then if you listen up, watch the video, you hear the quote I say in it, you got a chance to win whatever I review. So with that being said, we're gonna hop into this review of this t-shirt right here. And it's a Biggie t-shirt. Camera's not probably gonna do the best job showing you. I would have to take out the package, but this could be yours. I'm gonna just ship it to you, whoever it is that can repeat the quote. But it's a Biggie t-shirt. It's from a company called Vandal-A. In the past, they've done work with Nike before. You might catch some rappers wearing it, such as Fabulous and Jadakiss wearing that gear, amongst many others too. But those are the ones I can name off my head real quick. So this company, Vandal-A, not only do they make graphic t-shirts with like rappers on it and stuff like that, they also have a very distinct look with their shirts that has like the GQ lettering, but it says OG. You might see other people wearing it too. Now, the quality of these t-shirts are really good. They're on point. They just look nice. They have a nice fit. Now, with this specific one, like I said, it's Biggie on it. He has this iconic look, the Mars Blackman look from She's Gotta Have It, which was a classic movie. You know, Spike Lee produced and portrayed the character Mars Blackman. It's black and blue. It looks very nice. Basically, let me see. Sneakers that you could probably rock with this, I'm gonna be honest. I would go with like probably black and royal ones, Jordan ones. Probably you could wear those. You could definitely wear them. Also, you could go through and wear like a lot of different Air Maxes, make colors that are black and blue. So you could rock Air Maxes with these Air Force Ones, obviously. You know what I'm saying? Whether it be just a clean pair of white ones, or specifically, some low top blue racer Air Force Ones. Get those. Or me personally, I'd either rock those or the black and blue, royal blue Jordan ones. And of course, if you're not really a Nike person, you could always run with Adidas, the Ultra Boost, the NMDs. You could rock those too. Pretty sure they make black and blue colorways for those. So with that being said, quote of the day. Quote of the day. Let's see, my peoples. What is it going to be? Hold on 1 second. Hold up, wait a minute. And I quote, here it is. Sometimes, if you don't toot your own horn, there's no music. That's the quote. Sometimes, if you don't toot your own horn, there's no music. Anyways, like I said, if you want to win it, information will be in the bottom of the description of this video. This could be yours. It is a size, for the record, medium. So hopefully whoever wins it, you wear a medium. And if you don't, you got a free t-shirt that looks fly. So maybe you give it to your friend, use it as a gift. It doesn't matter. It's in the package. It's all good. So that being said, yeah, I'm going to get y'all later on, man. Y'all have a good day. Love, peace, and happiness and all that good stuff. Keep it nice, all right? Peace.